Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh. Today I'm here to give a presentation on biometrics. To start with, what is biometrics? Biometrics are unique features that can be practically be sensed and interpreted by the computers. At the moment, as the security level decreases, the transaction for fraud increases. So to meet the required security standards, the need for high secure identification and personal verification technologies are more. So this can be met by using some of the biometric-based solutions, which are able to provide confidential financial and personal data privacy. Biometrics can be classified into two types. They are as follows: physiological and behavioral features. These are the various kind of biometrics, and they are as follows. Coming to physiological, can be a fingerprint scanner, a hand scanner, handprint scanner, iris scanner, face recognition, DNA scanners. Behavioral metrics can be a keyboard stroke, signature recognition, and a voice recognition. How the biometrics actually work? To start with, capture. This system collects a sample of biometrics like fingerprint, voice of a person who tries to log in. Then a data extraction is done uniquely from the sample, and the template is created from unique features. These templates are stored in biometric digital format. Then a comparison is done with the new sample that is extracted from the user from the following scanner when the user uh, try, tries for an authentication into the systems. In the final step, the system decides whether the features extracted from the new sample match to the templates that are actually in the scanning system. This is how the authentication is done to the user. There are various types of recognition scanners, and to talk about a few, to start with fingerprint recognition. Fingerprint recognition uses patterns of friction ridges and valleys of an individual, which are unique from another individual, and the approximate cost of each product is around $150 to $350, and it supports up to 500 to 200 fingerprints. Moving on to hand recognition. Hand recognition is done by using person unique vein pattern, and this products generally cost around 600 to 1250 for each product, and these products are produced by various vendors. Retinal scanning. In this scanning process, viewers focus on a point and the infrared light scans the retina, and the users are generally 2 to 3 feet away from the device when the scanning process is done. And these products range from 2,500 to $3,000. And moving on to face recognition. Face recognition uses the physical structure of a face and analysis is done for distinguished features of an individual. And this products range from 600 to $800, and this product can support up to 1,000 users. Biometrics and business implications. They can be used at local banks where the customers can be authenticated at the counters using fingerprints and finger vein biometrics. They can also be used at different uh, or sorry at various ATM centers where where biometrics can be used along with bank cards and pins. And the biometrics which can be used as follows. There can be face recognition or fingerprint scanners that can be used with the access that is along with the bank cards or pins. And they can also be implemented on mobile and mobile and internet banking, where customers require to use biometric beside the traditional authentication method. This also improves the multi-factor authentication, and this helps the banking institutions to protect customer identity from being compromised by the cyber criminals from obtaining the sensitive information. To add a few points on the biometrics, it is all set to change the lives in the coming future. Some of the emerging technologies are as follows: ear shape identification, body odor identification, body salinity identification, EEG fingerprints, DNA matching. Before I conclude this presentation, I would like to say a few words about the biometrics. As biometric technology advances, the cost of the systems effectively decreases. So this can be implemented in automobiles as well, which could be a replacement for keyless entry and to even start a car without a key. And the foremost advantage of using biometrics is that they can neither be stolen, lost, or forgotten. And last but not the least, from all the bearing, a disease or a serious injury, the biometrics are consistent and permanent. And and uh, and finally, here are the few references where I could grab some information about my biometrics. Hope you like this presentation, and please feel free to leave some comments. Thank you.